Professional woodworkers are quietly buying up these 15 tools on Amazon, and prices are climbing fast. What makes them special? They eliminate years of learning curve, whether building your first project or your 50th. These tools transform nice try into who's your contractor. Let's dive in. SEESII Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. Starting strong with the SEESII Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. This powerhouse solves the nightmare of moving massive tile pieces solo. With dual 22-volt batteries and industrial-grade suction, it handles stone and ceramic like they're weightless. Over 10,000 contractors switched to this because it cuts labor costs in half. One person now does what used to require two. Limited stock warnings are popping up as renovation season peaks. HAUTMEC Mini Hacksaw with miter box set. Next up, the HAUTMEC Mini Hacksaw set. Budget-friendly doesn't mean cheap here. This 6-inch precision cutter tackles metal, wood, and plastic with surgical accuracy. The aluminum miter box and bi-metal blade combo delivers professional angles every time. Hobby enthusiasts are raving about it because complete sets like this normally cost triple. Perfect for detailed work where full-size tools can't reach. Stock moves fast during holiday project season. igooo Kick Saw. The igooo Kick Saw changes everything for cabinet installers. Cutting flush to walls used to be impossible without destroying surrounding materials. This specialized saw reaches where traditional tools fail. It includes 3 blade types, wood and diamond, for any subfloor challenge. Flooring professionals report saving 2 hours per job. That's real money back in your pocket. Prices jumped 15% last quarter as demand surged among renovation crews. SEESII Suction Cups for Glass. SEESII's electric suction cup tool is a game changer for heavy lifting. 440 pounds of vacuum-powered grip means one person safely moves glass, granite, and tile that normally requires a full crew. The LED indicator warns before grip weakens, preventing costly accidents. Cabinet installers are calling this their best investment of the year. It transforms dangerous 2-person jobs into confident solo operations. Current inventory is moving faster than restocks. Corner clamps for woodworking, set of 4. These 90-degree corner clamps deliver perfect angles in seconds. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, they're light but indestructible. The secret is how they adjust to different material thicknesses while maintaining exact right angles. Furniture makers report cutting assembly time by 40%. No more gaps, no more crooked corners, no more frustration. At this price point, having a set is a no-brainer. They're consistently sold out during furniture building season. Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg MortiseMate takes joint strength to the next level. Traditional connections fail over time, but loose tenon joints are practically indestructible. This jig features laser-guided placement and automatic indexing for repeatable precision. Small furniture shops are producing professional-grade pieces that rival factory quality. The difference shows up years later when competitors' furniture falls apart and yours stays solid. Professional woodworkers protect this advantage jealously. 8-in-1 Handsaw. Drywall Cutter. TOOLAN's 8-in-1 Handsaw replaces an entire toolbox. One compact tool cuts drywall, PVC, wood, and more with interchangeable blade positions. Electricians love it because it fits in their belt instead of requiring a separate bag. The ergonomic TPR grip prevents hand fatigue during all-day use. Emergency repairs become simple when you're carrying 8 tools in one. Smart contractors are buying multiples before the next price increase hits this spring. Litheli Cordless Drill Set, 20V Max. The Litheli Cordless Drill Set offers 18 torque settings plus 1 drilling mode. That precision prevents strip screws and damaged materials that scream amateur work. The 3/8-inch quick change chuck saves minutes per project. New homeowners are choosing this over premium brands because the 2-amp-hour battery handles full furniture assembly on single charges. Professional results without professional prices. Current demand is outpacing supply in major markets. Milescraft 1330 for Joint Master. Milescraft's Joint Master eliminates dowel and guesswork completely. This self-clamping aluminum jig auto-centers for perfect alignment every single time. Production woodworkers report tripling their output because repositioning takes seconds, not minutes. The all-aluminum construction means it'll outlast your other tools. Accurate joinery separates professional furniture from hobby projects. Early adopters kept this quiet for months to maintain their competitive edge in custom furniture markets. Dustopper Pro Low Profile Dust Separator. The Dustopper Pro extends vacuum filter life by 10 times. It separates coarse debris before it reaches your filter using cyclonic action. Workshop owners calculate saving $300 annually on replacement filters alone. The low-profile design fits under workbenches where space is tight. High-flow elbows maintain suction power while capturing 99% of dust. As lumber prices rise, protecting equipment investments matters more than ever. WOODSTARTER Cordless Jigsaw Tool. WOODSTARTER's cordless jigsaw brings studio-quality cuts to mobile workshops. The brushless motor and 3-position orbital control handle intricate curves that battery tools previously couldn't manage. Furniture makers are going fully cordless because this delivers corded performance without the hassle. Integrated dust collection keeps cut lines visible for precision work. The freedom to work anywhere garage, driveway, job site changes how you approach projects. Battery runtime outlasts most workdays. Rockler Mini Deluxe Panel Clamps. Rockler's mini panel clamps apply 4-directional pressure for glue-ups that stay perfectly flat. The sawtooth pattern prevents slippage better than smooth clamp faces. Cutting board makers swear by these because edge alignment determines whether boards sell or get rejected. Small panel work used to require improvised solutions, but these deliver professional pressure distribution. The included storage rail keeps them organized and ready. Serious hobbyists consider these essential, not optional. NEIKO 10882A Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill. The NEIKO cordless rotary hammer punches through concrete and brick without breaking a sweat. 1400 RPM and 4500 beats per minute deliver power that corded models struggle to match. The brushless motor means less maintenance and longer run time. Construction crews switch because eliminating extension cords saves setup time on every job. SDS Plus compatibility accepts professional grade bits. Inventory shortages are common as more contractors discover cordless capability. igooo Heavy-Duty Undercut Saw Jam Saw Kit. igooo's 1800-watt undercut saw handles continuous professional use without overheating. It includes alloy and diamond blades for materials from wood to ceramic tile. The extended cord reaches across job sites without requiring generators. Renovation contractors report this cuts door jam preparation time from 30 minutes to 5. That efficiency multiplies across dozens of doorways per project. Professional grade durability at mid-range pricing makes this a strategic investment. For serious operators, Huepar Digital Angle Gauge Protractor. Finishing with the Huepar Digital Angle Gauge. Accurate to 1/10 of 1 degree. Temperature stability ensures measurements stay consistent from morning to afternoon. The calibration mode adjusts for any surface, eliminating guesswork. Installers say this prevents costly rework from accumulated angle errors. Professional credibility comes from precision that clients can verify. A single mistake from inaccurate measurements costs more than this tool. Smart professionals eliminate that risk completely before it happens.